Hi everyone, today in this video we'll guide you how to create a AI video without any tool. So first we need to find the content that we need to use here. So for that we use ChatGPT and create a content, and after that we will place that content into CapCut. So let's start the video. Okay, though for this purpose, I'll use my voice. I already record the voice. I'm going to choose that voice and convert that voice into text format, and then we will convert that text into video format. So I'm going to choose my file. Here's my file, and I'm gonna upload and convert it. It will take a little bit time depending on the speed of your internet and your file size. So let it convert, and I'll be back in few moments when that thing is converted. So let it convert. We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, my file is converted. Now I have to convert this audio text, Urdu text to English version, because the tool I'm using for this text to video format is recognize only English version. So you're gonna copy this text, and first I'm gonna download, and make sure you download it to Word file and then copy it, because if you convert or download the PDF or TXT, you can't copy or you can't find the full text version. So make sure you download the text version, and we will be on. Then we'll go to Google Translate and translate that text into English. And after that, we will copy that English text and open the CapCut, and we'll place it on the CapCut. As for new users, CapCut is free tool for AI. You can create any 10 minutes to 5 to 10 minutes video free, and it's like a few images that move on the text. Okay, now place the converted text here in CapCut, and CapCut you will choose create AI video, as you can see this button, and then you choose some options, and after that place the text. In CapCut, we will choose the dimension that we want. If you want to create shots, then 19 by 6, and if you want to create a normal size video, then choose a normal size video. This is the time duration you want: 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. So choose that, and from below you can choose the uh, setup, like if you want the cartoon version or what version you want. Just click create and wait for it. It will read your text. Let AI to do that. Don't worry. And once your AI done that, it will show you a button if you want to create a video. Just click on that video and wait for it. It will take a little bit time because it's an online tool, and depending on the speed of the server and your internet also. Just wait, let it do the work. Okay, here you can see a small button. Click on it, and now you have to wait. It will create a video for your content, and it will choose the video pictures and other things. You can change the pictures as you like as well after that video is complete. You can choose the video size and videos, different things. Also the text to speech voice, if you want a men voice or woman voice or whatever you want. There are many options there. So as you can see, this content is here, and you can see small boxes. These boxes contain the pictures. It will like process as it's showing, and after the process is complete, it will show you that content is 100%. After that, you want to change or don't want to change, depends on you. So till that, you have to wait, let it do the work, and we will back. Now you can see your content with the picture is now here. As you can see, you can choose any format that you want to download from 1080 to something and rename the file as you like. And there are different formats for your audio as well. Just click the export button and wait, and it will be downloaded in few minutes. So that's all for free AI content. And if you want any other things, you can ask me in the comment section. Any question, curious. As you can see, it's download. So I'm gonna choose it the file where I want to download it. And that's all for today. Any question, queries, problems, just in the comment section.